Welcome to cooking session here at Lifestyle Tips Variety episode by Ms.Franzine. And able to make this recipe, we will be needing the following ingredients, which is chicken is the main ingredient. Any parts of your choice. Mine, I have here chicken thighs, any type of mushroom you prepared, a variety of mushroom that you want to incorporate. For me, I have here a bottom mushroom, piece of lemon, onions, garlic, ground black pepper, and salt, white wine, chicken stock, heavy cream, a cup of all-purpose flour. Last but not the least is butter or cooking oil. First thing first is mise en place. After washing the chicken and mushroom, then put some salt and pepper to the chicken and then slices the mushrooms, onions, garlic, and cut the lemon accordingly. Then our cooking will start when everything is ready. I am demonstrating here how I prepared the ingredients that you can watch. I encourage you to try this recipe since there has no rocket science in doing so. Preparation is very basic and ingredients are easily to find in the grocery or market. Once you're preparing healthy and delicious meals for the family, it's worth all the time you spend after all. Besides, it's a wise act of expressing your love to your family. Either at the restaurant or at home, when cooking, it is vital practice to do the mise en place to avoid accident and simply continues doing so. It is important to heat the cooking pan when cooking to avoid sticking of particles in it. When the butter and oil is hot enough at cooking pot, then it's time to sear the chicken. What I am trying to achieve here is that to get that deep layer of flavor in the meat in a shortened period of time. I am not going to fully cook the chicken. I will just wait it to turns brown and then I will start sauteing the onion, garlics, and mushrooms. Then we'll do the beurre manière by mixing the flour and butter. Then adds heavy cream to thicken the sauce. It's a process of making roux, one of a classical thickening agent in French cuisine. Once ready, after doing so, I will put back the chicken and then I will continue by doing the deglazing by adding the liquid, which is white wine, cup of chicken stock, and lemon juice. Then add salt to taste and ground white pepper if you have. It's alright to use the black ground pepper though. Wait to fully cook the chicken, then serve and have a happy meal with your family. That's all. Thank you. Hope you like and try this recipe. This recipe is called chicken fricassee or simple French chicken stew. This is Lifestyle Tips Variety episode by Ms.Franzine, telling you that being mindful is life changer. Be real with elegance. Thank you and God bless. Please like, share, and subscribe for my next episode.